Hello and welcome to the feature series. Today we will be discussing Map View and how to configure it in the ProdataKey app. Let's get started. As the easiest to use access control platform, PDK has several features designed to make management of your access control system easier and more intuitive. One of these features is the Map View, which allows you to upload an overhead image, blueprint, or screenshot of your site to the ProdataKey app and overlay with interactable doors, elevators, alarms, and other such devices. This allows easy access to review, monitor, and make any adjustments necessary to ensure the integrity and security of your site at a glance. To get started, navigate to the States page in the ProdataKey app and select the drop-down menu at the top. Select Map View in the right-hand corner to create your first map using the Add Map View button. From here, follow the directions on your screen by following the Setup wizard. You will select an image of the site, after which you can edit and adjust the image to your liking. Once you have edited the image, you will name the map and select Finish. You will then be redirected to Edit mode, where you can add any doors and devices applicable to the image you have just uploaded. Tools in the ProdataKey app allow you to add links, additional devices, and adjust the size of the icons. Simply drag the icons into the appropriate location and select Save. To make managing multiple sites easy, link multiple maps together using the linking feature in the software. This can be used if you want to quickly toggle between sites, floors, or views of a location. After your map view has been created, you can manipulate doors and view door statuses directly within a visual representation of your site. You can interact with these doors, elevators, and other devices individually or as a group in the same manner as you would on the States page. The map view gives you a better way to monitor and control your access control system, the easy way with PDK.